Here at the Natural History Museum we have one of the largest herbaria in the world, comprising more than 5.25 million specimens. It's a global collection, but our UK collection is particularly significant, and in fact we hold the largest collection of botanical specimens from the British Isles anywhere. Across the different plant groups represented in our herbarium, the lichens, the algae, mosses, liverworts, ferns, gymnosperms and flowering plants, there are more than 1.25 million British and Irish specimens assembled over a period of 350 years. That collection is a really important resource for understanding patterns of biodiversity, what species occur where and why. And in our rapidly changing world, it's an important resource for understanding how biodiversity has responded to anthropogenic pressures over the last 3 centuries or more. But it's not a static collection. It's a collection that needs to continue growing to best serve its diverse users. There are gaps, both spatial and temporal, that we need to fill, and we need to be making new herbarium collections today for the future. The Lincolnshire Plants Project has made a really important contribution to the growth of our collections. It has allowed us to fill gaps, both spatial and temporal. Lincolnshire was a region that was particularly poorly represented in our herbarium. The acquisition of the Lincolnshire Naturalist Union Herbarium addresses that gap and provides a remarkable sample of Lincolnshire plant diversity, particularly from the late 19th century. The project has also contributed towards our contemporary collecting efforts, and crucially it's helped us to develop and refine new processes for acquiring large and important historical collections, and for transforming how we make contemporary botanical specimens, equipping us with pipelines for making those DNA ready. And of course the project has also enabled us to put in place workflows for making all of those collections available digitally via the web for anyone who wants to use them. These are processes and workflows that we'll be certainly using and adapting for other projects in the future. At the Natural History Museum, our mission is to create advocates for the planet, working with partners to shape a positive future. The development of new partnerships has been a really important part of this project for us. We've learned a great deal from working with partners from the Wildlife Trust, the Naturalist Union, the Sir Joseph Banks Centre and the university, bringing together our different skill sets and expertise to inspire a new generation of botanists and to safeguard our understanding of plants and the environment for the future. We're delighted that that partnership will be continuing and that the museum's herbarium will be growing with new collections from Lincolnshire in collaboration with our partners. And for all of those at the museum involved in the project, the opportunity to engage with diverse people of all ages and backgrounds, from delivering training and working with volunteers at the Natural History Museum and in Lincolnshire and with undergraduates at the university, to working with colleagues in our partner organisations and engaging with the many members of the public attending events both in London and in Lincolnshire, the Lincolnshire Plants Past and Future project has been a really rewarding experience for us all.